Hello everyone, my name is Enes Aydın and I'm an electrical and electronics engineering student at Bilkent University. My student ID is 22401805 and today I'm gonna introduce my Physics 101 lab experiment, which is about the pendulum, basic pendulum, and we are gonna be talking about which factors affect the period of the pendulum and which factors don't affect. Here is the equipment I need. Here I release the bulb at a small angle. To minimize the error margin in the time measurement, I measure the time for 10 full oscillations for several times. And now I am replacing the bulb with the heavier one. Our goal here is to determine whether the mass of the object affects the pendulum's period or not. We will see. And as we can observe here, our results are almost same. This shows that the mass of the object doesn't affect the period. In this video, we can also see that. Here, I decrease the length of the rope. And here is my chart. According to my chart, the period is directly proportional to the square root of the string length. And now we are at the final part of my experiment. Here we will investigate what happens when we release the bulb at the larger amplitudes. In this part of the experiment, I observed that as the angle increases, the period also increases. And now I want to talk about possible errors. There will be small errors from reaction time when starting and stopping the timer. To reduce this, I did 10 oscillations instead of 1. There might also be an error in measuring the length of the rope, since it's impossible to be perfectly exact. I will also try to keep the motion in one plane and avoid pushing the pendulum when I release it. And there are also uncertainties, which may cause some errors. And here are the uncertainties of the measuring devices. In conclusion, we can say that the mass of the object doesn't change anything, but the larger angles and the length of the rope we use can affect the period of the pendulum. And this is my lab project for Physics 101. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.